Good day, ma'am. Please
Good,
introduce yourself.
good day, Mom and Sir. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Janice Doty, 42 years of age. I'm college undergraduate who took up Bachelor of Secondary Education. I have two daughters, namely Erich Crisette and Zarina Isabel.
Please describe yourself.
I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking. I am God-fearing, especially I respect the rules and the regulation of my employer,
If you will get hired, you will take care of your
my
children.
mother and my father.
Please describe your work experience.
My work experience way back in 2015 and 2018 in Kuwait, I served one family, two adults, seven children. My multitask is to taking care of baby. I maintain the cleanliness and make sure they eat on time. And also I'm taking care of the big ones. They prepare lunch box and I I also help them with their school works. And also, I have experience in Abu Dhabi way back 2023 until 2026. I serve one family, two adults, and five kids, ages 10, 6, 4, and 1 and 7 months old and 3 months old baby. My multitask I taking care of baby. I make them sleep, taking bath. I give them nutritious food, and also for the big one, I'll play with them, swim with them. I'll pick up and drop in school, and also I help them with their school works.